Hello students, now we are gonna learn about the fourth lesson, our multiplication. Before learn these lessons, you must have know about the 2 to 20 tables, because in the multiplication we have to use the tables, so that you have to memorize 2 to 20 tables. Okay, now let's start our lesson. Get here multiplication properties. There are 4 properties of multiplication. One by one we will look. Here's commutative property is the first. Now here is what written I. When two or more numbers are multiplied, the product remains the same regardless of the order of the factors. Now let's see what is this. Now look at here. Here I multiply 9 multiply with 7. Okay. Now answer is 9 sevens are 63. If I change the order of factors, means I wrote first 7 then multiply with 9. Now answer will also 63. This is called as the commutative property. Means I change the order of the factors, the answer will be also 63, and here also 63. Means order is not important, means not we are consider here, because we can, here I changed 9 place, I wrote here 9 second one, and 7 is the second place here. Now here is the first. Here is the 9 multiplicand and 7 is the multiplier, and here 7 is the multiplicand and 9 is the multiplier, but the answer both are the same. Means when two or more numbers are multiplied, the product remains the same regardless the order of the factor. Like this we can write. If we change the factors order, the answer like this only coming. Okay, this is called as the first property. Now second we will see. Now second property is what? Associative property. When three or more numbers are multiplied, the product is the same regardless of the grouping of the factors. In the first property we seen 2 or more. Now here is a 3 or more, but here is a grouping. There is the only factors, orders of factors. Okay, now let's learn. Okay, 2 multiply with 3 multiply with 4. Okay, 3 or more than 3 means 3 से ज़्यादा भी लिख सकते हैं, but here is a grouping, means I group of the 2 multiply with 3. Now 2 3s are 6. Okay, you can write also in bracket not, and 4. First I solve this bracket. 2 3s are 6, 4 multiplication. Now 6 4s are 24. This is a 1 again, but I change the regrouping. Look, 2 multiply with 3 multiply with 4. Here I did group of 3 multiply with 4. Now here what I did here, 2 multiply with 3 groups. In bracket 3 multiply with 4. Now 2 as it is, multiply 3 4s are 12. 12 2s are 24. Look at the, here I group of the 2 multiply with 3, and here grouping 3 multiply with 4. Now here's multiplicand's multiplier 6 4. Multiplicand 2 and 12 is the multiplier. Now look at the answer is the only 24. This is called as the associative properties. Means हमने grouping भी change कर ली और bracket अलग कर दिया, but answer क्या आया 24. When 3 or more numbers are multiplied, the product is the same regardless of the grouping of the factors. This is called as the associative property. Now next one is multiplicative property of 0. Now the product of 0 and any number is always 0. Means when we'll get product 0, that multiplicand and multiplier on both of them is one place is 0. Means like this, 7 multiply with 0. Means 0 7s are 0. Again I change the place of these factors. Look at, answer is also 0. Means when we'll get product 0, in both of them one place is 0. Means multiplicand can be 0 also and multiplier also 0. Means here is the multiplier is 0 and here is the 0. Here is the multiplicand 0. Here is the 0 which on, this is called as the multiplier and this is a multiplicand. Okay, this is called as the multiplicative property of 0. Now D1, last one is property which, now let's learn. Now last one property, multiplicative property of 1. That third one is a multiplicative property of 0. Now here is the 1. The product of 1 and any number is always the itself. Means we here, look at here, 7 multiply with 1. Means that number we have to write itself. Again 0 multiply with 1. Number we have to write itself. If any number multiply with ones, that numbers we have to write itself. Okay, 1 से किसी भी डिजिट को मल्टीप्लाई किया तो जो नंबर है वो खुद इटसेल्फ हमें यहाँ पर प्रोडक्ट में आंसर में लिखना है. लुक एट हियर 0 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 1 मीन्स here I wrote 0 number itself, here 7. Like this is called as the multiplication properties. Okay, multiplication properties, we have to solve this. Fill in the missing factor to show that multiplication is a commutative. Means the first property we have to apply here, only we have to change the order of factors place. Okay, here look at 3 multiply with 8 is equal to 8 multiply with, means we have to only change the place of factor. Here 3, now here the 3 is the multiplicand. Now we can write here 3 on multipliers. Okay, like this. Now here look at dash multiply with 2, we have to fill this box. Means here we have to only change the factor place. Now we can write here 7 and 2 here like this. Now look at here, only the first properties. Now only we just have learned about the properties of the multiplications. We have to apply here only first property. Only we have to change the order of factors. Now here look at, here is the 12. Now we can write 12s, here also 4s. Okay, only factors of order we change here. This is called as the commutative properties. Okay, now second one we will solve. Now look at here, we have to find the missing numbers. This is a multiplicative property of 0, means here product is 0. So that we can say that it is which property it is here apply. We have to apply the 0 property of multiplications. Okay, now we know that why we will get the product in the form of 0, because any numbers with multiply with 0, the answer will get 0. When 0 multiply to any number, the product is always 0. This is called as the multiplicative property of 0. Okay, now we will solve next one. Now look at here, also we have to find here missing numbers. This is a which property here we have to apply? Multiplicative property of 1. Okay, when 1 is multiplied to any number, the product is always number of itself. Look at here, when any numbers, any multiply with ones, we have to write the number itself. This is called as the multiplicative property of 1. Now let's talk about the missing factor. First, review of the multiplication. Now 2, this is the sign of multiplication. 2 multiply with 3. Here 3's table we have to say 2 times. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Okay, here 2 is called as the multiplicand. And 3 is called as the multiplier. Now answer will get, it's called as the product. Okay, 2 multiply with 3. 2 is called as the multiplicands and 3 is called as the multiplier, and 6 is the answer, means we get product. Number, okay, number that give a products multiplicand together, it's called as the factors. Okay, here is the product. We know that product is 6. product 6. Okay, which is the factor of 6? 2 multiply with 3. Like this, we can say that the numbers that give a product with multiplicand together are called as the factors. Means 6 factor 2 multiply with 3. Here 2 multiply with 3, product we get 6. Now 6 factor is 2 multiply with 3. This is called as the factors. Okay. Now let's learn about the missing factor. Now here I wrote examples. If you know the directly tables, means 16 fours are, you can write directly answer, like 16 fours are 64. Okay. Now here this another step you have to solve. If you don't know about the 16 table, that time you have to do like this: 16 in multiplicand, multiplier with 4. 4 6 are, and after 4 ones are, you have to do. Look at now. First we have to multiply 4 with 6. 4 6 are 24, means 4 to carry. 4 ones are. Now this 4 we have to multiply with 1. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 2 6. Now answer will get 64. Both step is easy, but you have to memorize the table. Directly you can write like this. Okay. The 64's factor which 4 multiply with 6. This is called as the factor. This products. Multiplicand, multiplier and products. Okay. Now we will solve next one. Here 11 sevens are, we know that 11 sevens are 77. Okay, directly you can here do multiplication. 11 multiply with 7. 11 is called as the multiplicand, multiplier. Now we have to take out the products. 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. Now 77 here also and 77 here. Now 77 factor is 7 multiply with 11. This is called as the factor, these products. Okay, now we will solve next one. Here 12 threes are. 12 threes are, we know that 36. Again you can do like this: 12 multiply with 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 ones are 3. 36 36. Means 36 factor 3 multiply with 12. Again 14 nines are, we know that 14 nines are 126. Okay. If you don't know 14's table, then you can do multiplication like this. 9 fours are and 9 ones are. 9 fours are 36. 3 borrow here and 6 downside. 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 2 126.